Okay.
Yeah, I'm a rally driver.
Do a Daytona SP3 or not?
No, it's a F80.
F80. Holy
Yeah.
crazy shit. I cannot spare for the YouTube video. Oh my goodness. Good morning. Puro sangue. Also brand new.
Straight. Follow the person. Yeah.
Two-wheel drive.
In this video I drove my dream Ferrari, a 488 Spider. It was insane. We spotted a lot of cars, so check out the whole drive. Don't miss any cars. Here we go.
Okay.
Awesome.
Sit on the brake.
Yep.
Right pedal for the first gear. Okay, you can see here number one.
Perfect.
Number of the gear, automatic, like drive mode, you know?
Okay, perfect.
You ready?
I'm handbrake.
Push the throttle, it's automatic.
Okay, beautiful. Let's go, man.
And turn right.
488. Okay. So.
Yeah, don't worry, don't worry. Let's go.
Beautiful. Oh, lots of power, you can feel it. Immediately. Awesome.
Yeah, I know.
661
70.
670
horsepower.
Yeah. Let's maybe stop for the beat.
Yeah.
Right, awesome. 0 to 60 is 3 seconds. Top speed 325 kph.
Wow!
Oh, this sound, man. Awesome. So, yeah.
Left.
I go just?
Yeah. Be careful.
Yeah, obviously.
It's a white car, you know.
And
Wonderful.
an expensive car. When the valves open, it's awesome.
Yeah, it's, I love this engine.
Oh.
I absolutely fallen in love for this engine.
Insane. Really, really insane. Alright, let me make sure I'm recording also.
Yeah, don't worry.
Yeah, we are recording. That's
Wonderful.
good. Perfect. So in town, always keep safety. Out of town, you guys in Italy, you just drive.
Yeah. It's a perfect place.
Yeah.
Left. It's a perfect place to drive fast, drive crazy, you know.
Yeah. Perfect. Oh man, this looks amazing with this mirror and then the air intake in the back.
Yeah.
Insane. So driver focused. Everything is here, you know.
Yeah.
Awesome. Never driven on a racetrack.
Right, yeah.
Never driven on a racetrack. I want to experience this very badly, but the problem is when you drive with your car on a racetrack, it's and you have a problem, then there's no insurance. So.
Not by your car, your own car.
Yeah, you need to rent maybe some car because
Yeah.
awesome.
Let's go here. Now you can feel the soul, you know.
Ferrari, Italia. Oh my goodness, the power this thing has. Wow.
Right here.
Oh my days. It's amazing, man. This is insane, man. Wow.
And here, the second exit, straight over there.
Yeah. Oh, here's the this is a famous place, I think.
Yeah.
For the viewing.
Here.
Perfect. Wow. Good to go.
Yeah. Wonderful.
Wow, man.
Let's
Insane.
go.
YouTube when someone was shifting that it was like instantly.
Yeah.
Like
You wanna try? Yeah. Oh, okay. It's a dual clutch, you know.
Awesome, man. Thank you so much. What an
My really pleasure.
dream come true. Wow.
There's speed camera here.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry, 70.
Oh, okay. Great, you told me.
On the bridge.
Awesome.
Straight on the bridge.
Okay. What's your favorite Ferrari?
Ooh, huge question. I love the F8. It's the evolution of 488. You know.
Yeah.
I love the sound of 488. The F8 is
Insane.
it's not louder.
Insane.
Yeah. But 296, trust me, it's a real monster.
296.
296, 800, yeah, 830 horsepower. You know, the acceleration, it's insane.
Wow. This is awesome. Yeah, I can imagine. And this is so fast.
And tell you what, one another thing.
Yeah.
The gearbox is better on the Roma unit in 296.
Yeah.
It's better.
Yeah?
It's faster.
Yeah?
Really?
Right.
It's incredible. 8
Yeah.
gears, not 7.
Because this car now is
7 gear, 7 speed
7
here.
speed, yeah.
7 speed on 488
Yeah.
and 8 speed in Roma and 296.
So it's like
yeah, it's incredible.
And it's also like because this is an older car now.
Yeah.
It's older. It's fine. When it was built, it was in 2016, 2017. Don't worry.
Don't worry. I'm here. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry.
How can I put this in? Can I put the transmission in full manual?
Yeah.
Just this. Okay,
17.
Now it's my turn to.
Yeah.
All right.
All the way
okay.
around here and back.
Okay, and then floor it.
Yeah. 2017.
It's 2017. Okay, yeah. So almost 10 years.
Yeah.
It's crazy how fast time flies. I remember when this car came out, looking YouTube videos of it and everything.
I know.
Let's try this.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. I'm always ready.
Let's go, man. I hope for you.
I need to do. Oh my goodness. Valves are opened.
You drive good, man. Great timing to shifting.
Yeah, the first time I was like, how far can it go? And then it was like red line.
Yeah.
So it's around, I think 7.5 maybe.
Yeah, 7.5.
Then
It's correct.
Yeah.
But you're good.
This is your full-time job?
Huh?
This is your full-time job?
Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm a driving instructor for race driving and safe
really?
driving. Yeah.
Okay, now. So also.
Yeah, I'm a freelance. I'm working for other company around Italy.
Awesome.
Yeah, I know.
You have
I'm
a
lucky, you know.
Beautiful. You have a nice car yourself?
I'm electric car. You trust me, but my race car is a Peugeot.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a rally driver.
Do a Daytona SP3 or not?
No, it's a F80.
F80. Holy
Yeah.
crazy shit. I cannot spare for the YouTube video. Oh my goodness. Never seen it. Yeah, it's brand new.
Really brand new.
Wow. No way, man.
Yeah.
What a day.
Yeah, I know.
This
Good
is-
for you. Good for you.
Oh, I forgot to shit back.
Yeah, no. Can I give you a little advice
Yeah.
for drive better. Okay,
Really?
the
Really?
fingers
Yeah.
around the steering wheel,
Like
always,
this? Like
and
this or like this?
Yeah, when you're shifting, move.
Yeah.
When you're shifting,
Yeah.
move, and return on the steering wheel.
Oh, okay.
That's good.
Yeah, so to always have the.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try. So,
Yeah.
like this?
That's good.
Okay.
Right here. It's
Okay.
better.
Thanks. Learning every day.
Same, all the way around and back on the bridge.
Okay, perfect. Back on the bridge.
Yeah.
Maranello. Good morning. Puro sangue. Also brand new.
It's a Puro Sangue, yes, but
Yeah, it's now.
I think it's for maybe new model.
Yeah.
That's some testing. I don't know. Straight. Follow the Puro Sangue. Yeah.
Two-wheel drive.
Yeah, two-wheel drive is funny.
Now it's okay because it's dry and it's hot and the asphalt is hot, but when it's rains, it can kill you.
Yeah, it's crazy. Right, the first?
Here?
Yeah.
Ferrari, man. Beautiful.
And left.
Okay. Wow, what an experience. Immediately it shifts.
Yeah. Yeah, the downshift is gorgeous. Awesome. Yeah, I know. Careful on the speed bump and right.
Always careful not to damage the machine.
And the stop left.
Oh yeah, we're back on at the factory.
Yep. Let's go. Let's go.
Ah. Wow. This was worth it. Temerario.
Yeah.
New Lamborghini.
The newer.
Yeah. Beautiful. This is a store for just clothes?
This was,
or
I don't know.
factory there?
At the
Wow.
stop, turn right.
Okay. Here?
Yeah. And this is the racing team building.
Okay.
Yeah, for the drivers, not only.
Scuderia Ferrari.
Yeah, Scuderia.
Okay,
That's good.
Scuderia.
Left. Not only for F1, but GT3, Le Mans, you know.
All this time, all these things. Beautiful. Yeah. And also the track.
The track, well, on racetrack.
Yeah,
No.
the private track to test the cars.
Yeah, we rented
Yeah.
an experience, but a different car, not a normal car like this,
Yeah.
but a real race car with a roll cage. You know, you need a helmet.
Yeah.
and there's no automatic transmission, only manual.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's a good experience.
Right.
I advise you to try it.
Awesome. And then I just drive here
Yeah,
in the middle.
to the left.
Perfect. So just in front?
No, park.
Where it was?
To the left. Perfect. Be careful. The child.
Yes.
Straight like this. Straight. Perfect. It's so good.
Thank you so much, man. It was
my pleasure.
Dream coming true. Thank you so much.
My
really.
great pleasure.
I'm going to end the video here.
Yeah.